What mining technology was used at Humberstone and Santa Laura saltpeter works? Have you ever wondered how saltpeter was extracted in the harsh environment of the Atacama Desert? The Humberstone and Santa Laura saltpeter works provide a fascinating glimpse into this industrial process. These sites were dedicated to extracting and processing sodium nitrate, a key mineral used mainly as fertilizer. The mining technology here reflects the industrial methods developed from the late 19th century to the mid-20th century. The journey began with the extraction of Caliche ore, a nitrate-bearing mineral found just beneath the desert surface. Workers primarily used surface or shallow open-pit mining techniques. They would remove caliche from the desert floor, making it accessible for processing. Once extracted, the ore was transported to the processing plants located within the works. At these processing plants, the leaching process played a vital role. The caliche was crushed and placed in large leaching sheds. Hot water was then used to dissolve the sodium nitrate from the ore. This solution was collected and subjected to evaporation, allowing the saltpeter to crystallize. Interestingly, the leaching sheds at Santa Laura are among the few remaining intact examples of this technology, showcasing how the process worked. In addition to the leaching process, other industrial installations were present. Saltpeter grinders were used to pulverize the ore, making it easier to process. There were also facilities for iodine extraction, which was a byproduct of the saltpeter processing. Energy production plants powered the entire operation, ensuring everything ran smoothly. To connect these facilities, a railway system was established. This railway network facilitated the transport of raw materials and finished products, making the entire operation more efficient. From an archaeological perspective, the technologies and installations at Humberstone and Santa Laura representing significant industrial heritage. They illustrate the technical advances of the nitrate industry and its impact on social and economic development. The preservation of both the industrial equipment and the associated company towns provides a glimpse into the working and living conditions of the miners and the social fabric they created. In summary, the mining technology at Humberstone and Santa Laura involved surface mining of caliche, mechanical crushing, leaching with hot water in specialized sheds, evaporation for crystallization, and ancillary processes like iodine extraction and energy generation. All of these processes were supported by a railway network, making it possible to produce the saltpeter that fueled agricultural and industrial growth across the Americas and Europe.